Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a Barclaycard Reward Card online. So before starting, you have to ensure that you have your address history, employment details, and income information ready. So this process requires completing the application on the official Barclaycard website. So next is to select card and start application. So just navigate to the Barclaycard website and find the Barclaycard Rewards Card page, and you must read the terms and conditions or the APR, fees, rewards, and structures carefully, then click the Apply Now button. Next is to enter your personal details. So you have to enter your full name, date of birth, and your current address, which is required. So you will be asked for your name, date of birth, contact details, and current residential status, which is it can be owner or renter, and etc. So the next step is to provide financial and employment info. So from here, you have to input your annual income before tax and also your employment status. So you will just have to click on this menu and you will see there are many options. So you also have to have the accurate income and employment details. So it is very crucial for eligibility and setting your credit limit. Next is to review and submit application. So before doing that, read the final declaration and authorize the credit check. So after submission, you will usually receive an instant decision or a message stating that your application is under review. So you just have to wait for it. You will just receive a notification once you're approved. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!